The 2015 Honda CR-V is better than the Toyota RAV4. Hi, I'm Joe Erickson from Mills Honda in Baxter, and I'm here to show you the all-new 2015 Honda CR-V. The CR-V features 4 trim levels, an LX, an EX, EXL, and a Touring. All 4 trim levels feature a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 185 horsepower, 179 foot-pounds of torque. They also have a CVT transmission, which is all new for the 2015. And we have improved gas mileage, 3 miles a gallon better than the 14. It's 33 miles to a gallon on the highway. All Honda trim levels, including the entry-level LX, include rear-view camera, the clever easy fold seats, make it nice for one-handed operations when your other hand is full. The CR-V features an easy open lift gate, very balanced for opening and closing. Also, something I think important to many people is the full-size spare tire that comes with the CR-V, always covered, always clean if you ever need it. Also, the cleverly designed easy fold-down seats open from the rear as well. By just the pull of a handle on either side, we can have all the seats down ready to go. We also have on the EX a cargo cover, which can give you privacy, keep things out of the heat, and it is also easily removable if you have taller items that need to fit. With the EX and above trim line, we have some new features new for 2015, including the new Honda Smart Key, which allows us to push the button to start the car. The key can remain in your pocket or your purse. We also have a brand new lane watch system, which is awesome. When you turn on your right signal light, automatically on this big 7-inch screen, you get a picture of everything that's behind you in the right lane, with guidelines to tell you how far they are behind you. The 2015 EX with cloth seats features heated cloth seats, power driver's seat, power moonroof, a touchscreen where you can control all your technology, and so much more. The upper trim levels, including the EXL and the Touring, include premium leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual climate control system, and available premium options including navigation. The all-new CR-V appeals to a wide range of people. The technology options appeal to millennials. The safety, the security, the all-wheel drive and economy appeal to seniors and moms alike. So how does the new 2015 Honda CR-V compare to other vehicles in its class? The CR-V has better tow capacity and miles per gallon than the Nissan Rogue or the Hyundai Tucson, more horsepower than the Mazda CX-5, more standard horsepower, cargo space, and better fuel economy than the Subaru Forester, and more head and legroom in the rear row than the Volkswagen Tiguan. The CR-V offers more ground clearance and a more efficient transmission than the Toyota RAV4, which earns the CR-V better fuel economy. And to top it all off, the new 2015 Honda CR-V is a IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus, so it has better safety ratings too. Perhaps this is why the new Honda CR-V won KellyBlueBook.com's Best Buy Award for 2015, and Motor Trend named it their 2015 Sport Utility Vehicle of the Year. And if that weren't enough, it's also the best-selling vehicle in its class. Come check out our nice selection of Honda CR-Vs at Mills Honda on Highway 210 in Baxter or at millsauto.com.